Hello everyone, welcome to fluttercoder.in. Today we're gonna see that how we can change the background color of the icon button. So far we know that we can have the icon button with different properties. So we do have the icon button field, we do have the icon button normal, and field will be the material 3 UI components that will take the color from its own defined properties. And if we are not setting the background color, then we might require that for our specific application. So we can see, let's check it out. This color is mainly depend for the front end icon, the icon that is being displayed on the icon button, and the other colors are there but which are not specific to the background color. So many have faced the challenges that how we can update the background color of the icon button. So one property of the icon button will be helpful for changing the background color. So it requires the button style. So we will have the button icon button dot, we can take the style from, and here we can specify the background color that we want. So let's see, if I want the background color as gray, then we can have it, or anyway different one, and that color property will be used for the front end. So that way we can change the background color of the icon button, and we can make use of the style parameter that that's associated with icon button, and we can provide the icon button class to get the style from, and then we can provide the background color for the icon button. So that's a very easy trick that we can do. To learn more about this kind of interesting stuff, subscribe to this YouTube channel and get more. Thank you very much.